everybody, and thank you all for tuning into my video. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So today we will be creating some cake toppers for Black History Month, but the first thing we need to do is go ahead and create our stickers inside of Cricut Design Space. Okay, so now we are in Cricut Design Space and these are the stickers that I created beforehand, and these are the offsets that we're going to cut out with cardstock. But I'm first going to show you all where I got all of these images from. So I went over here where it says images, clicked on images, and in this search section here I typed in Black History Month. Okay, so when I typed in Black History Month, as you can see, over 11,000 images popped up. And I just chose the ones that I liked, and in order to place them in my my working space, I clicked on this little plus sign here. So I'm just going to click on that one now, and then I'm going to go ahead and view it because it's already been added to my canvas. Okay, so my image is now inside of Design Space, and you can either use the corners to adjust the size, or you can go up here to sizing and click this little lock tab there, and then you can change the sizing there. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I want to make sure that this is a print and cut, because right now, as you can see, it is a basic cut. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to print and cut. Okay, it's been changed, and I'm going to go ahead and create an offset, and I don't want my offset to be too big, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust it a little bit, maybe about there. Okay. And my offset has been added. As you can see, it looks a little funny. That's because it's black on black. So I'm going to go up here and change the color. I'm going to change it to white like I did most of the other stickers. And now it looks a little better. So my stickers have printed. So I'm going to remove the backing from my sticker paper, and I'm going to place my stickers on top. Well, I'm just going to place the paper, on top of my cardstock so that it can be extra sturdy. So I'm going to allow my Cricut machine to cut this out while it's on the cardstock. Not sure exactly why my Cricut machine doesn't read my registration marks for the sticker paper, so I'm going to use the Sharpie marker to just darken it in. Okay guys, as you all can see, the cutting is completed, and this is exactly how I expected them to turn out, so I am glad with the results. Okay y'all, so we are back, and let me lower this down so you all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I have already attached a couple of them. So I just attached this one with some hot glue gun, with some hot glue, sorry. So I just attached this one. I went on ahead and attached this one as well, and I placed it on my lollipop stick. I believe that's what these are called. Oh no, they're called tree sticks, but same thing they use for lollipops. And it's come in a pack of 150, and this is the Welch's brand. I purchased this from, I want to say Joann's, but I made sure I had my 60% off coupon for that one, okay? Now, put that to the side. Now for this one, I just placed some sticky dot, the 3D sticky foam that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and it comes in 3 different sizes. So I placed this one on the back of here. And for these, I'm just going to place them as they are. Okay, so I'm just going to keep these as they are, and I'm just going to use some hot glue to attach those. Now for this one, I was thinking about placing the foam dot on both layers and then attaching all 4 of these together. But we'll see how that looks once I complete that. I don't know exactly if I want to do that. But I know for sure that I'm going to take this one. I did mirror this image inside of Cricut because I'm going to place this on the back like so. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and place a strip of hot glue on the back of here. And then I'm going to attach this part to the back. Okay, so that'll be this one. This is how it turned out. Really cute. I like it. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and remove this foam covering for this one. I'm going to place it on the offset. Now, when I mentioned that I wanted to create another one like this one, I was thinking of layering maybe just the picture on top. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. So I won't put this on the offset. I'll just place it on the back of the sticker. like so. Go ahead and remove the covering here. Okay guys, we are all done. Let me go ahead and show you all how everything turned out up close, okay? So this one I just kept as it was. I did not add that extra cardstock on the back. So this is just that, no offset, okay? Now this one I'm gonna show you all again up close. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around. So I just added that extra cardstock on the back, but make sure you mirror this offset inside of Cricut Design Space. Now this one, I thought I wasn't really gonna like it, but this seems to be my favorite one. So this is layered 4 times, and these 2 layers right here are the foam right here from the Dollar Tree, and then I just placed the last offset on the back with some hot glue. Now this one is cute as well. It's still solid, but I did add that offset extra cardstock for this one. So that's the difference between this one and this one, as you all can see. Now this last one I came up with at the last minute because I did realize that I still had these heart suckers that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I just placed the heart sticker on top of it like so. So now you got like a 2-in-1. So they got a topper and they also have something that they can take with them, a sucker. So that's how all 5 of these turned out. I will continue with the rest of these. We're doing the same process as I did with these. And then the last step will be to add your topper on top of your cupcake. And since this is my favorite one, I'm going to go ahead and add that one. Cute. Look how cute that is. This is so cute. Alright. Now that is it. If you all like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you do try it, make sure you tag me. If you loved it, share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned. We do have plenty more videos coming soon. Bye.